guys, welcome back to my Forex Market live vlog today. How are you guys? I hope that everyone is fine. So let's start checking the Forex market, and what you can see here is EuroCAD, the one that I have just posted recently in my Facebook page. And what I said is that I think this EuroCAD is a potential reversal trade. So let's analyze it. So we have here two different screens. The right side is having 4-hour chart time frame, and then this one has a 30 minutes time frame. So of course I always start analyzing the bigger time frame, which is my anchor chart, and that is the 4-hour chart. So here it is. As you can see, let's just use the naked chart. As you can see here, we have here EuroCAD trend. I mean the chart which is showing an uptrend. So here sideways uptrend, right? And now the price made a sell-off and bounces at this key support level, which now I will highlight with blue. And now it retested this key support area, and now starting to show some sign of reversal at the 4 hours. We also see here a trend line, and that we break below the trend line, but it doesn't mean that if we break below the trend line, it doesn't mean that we are going for a bearish trade. No. So the trend line is broken, but it can happen that institutions and banks can hunt your stop losses which are set below the trend line. So it's pretty normal in the Forex market and even in the stock market in general. So let's inspect what's happening at the price on this area, where the price, like what I said, is actually located at the key support level, and because of that we are forecasting some price action which will reverse the trend. So and then we can put a stop loss which is just right below the key support area. So we have actually a very good risk reward, because we have this risk, a small one, and then we have a reward which is pretty high. So the reward can be here to here. So even at this point the risk reward is also already very attractive. It's like 1:3, and there is also a possibility that it will also retest this resistance here. And what about if I say that it can also climb up higher, because anyway the trend is uptrend. So what will be the target price? So I use Fibonacci extension, and there you go. This is my next target profit if ever the price breaks the resistance. So anyway, these targets are still in a relatively long time, so we are not going to hit it today or not even next week. So let's now inspect the lower time frame, which is usually the one that I'm using for entry. So forget these areas here, because it was lines before. So here is the key support area. Price is actually doing stop hunt pattern. So imagine that the traders usually places their stop loss below this support here. So uptrend, and people who are doing trend following place their stop loss below this pattern. So if you can notice this is the pattern. This is a pennant, symmetric triangle, how you call it, but below the pattern are the stop losses, and you see now those stop loss are getting hit. So this is that exact pattern, and then you can notice it because there are pin hammers or doji candles setting up, and as you can see also there is the low and the higher low here, and then rally, pull back, and then creating another higher low. So this is now an uptrend. So this is an indication that the price is soon to reverse. So what is the really the confirmed reversal is break at this trend line. But even if without that, we can already spot that there is really a nice opportunity here, because the price is now creating higher lows at the very first stage or first consolidation. So because of that, we can place a stop loss which is a little bit below this consolidation, or where the pattern is forming. And it's even here, you can also see that the RSI is increasing, which means that the price action on the bullish side is getting stronger. The momentum at the bullish direction is increasing. That's what it means by this RSI. So even if you check also at the 1 hour time frame, you see that this really nice formation. Don't be afraid about this engulfing bearish, because these are actually the 3 push pattern, 1, 2, and 3rd push and reverse. So this is a very common in the Forex market. But as long as the price is not breaking below the key support level, the best thing that you can really do is to go for the bullish trade. So what I will be doing here is actually I have already a position that I place a trade, set up my stop loss, and put the target here. Win or loss, that's my target. Alright, so that's EuroCAD. And also another is that I have JBP CAD. So this is almost not totally the same, but you see that it is also bounced from this key support area here. So target can be around here, and it is achievable today. But if it breaks below this support area, then I'm going to be stopped out. So it means that price wanna go lower, so right around here. So what about JBP CHF? Now this one is I was long here earlier, but since the price will break below, it's low here, it seems that I need to go for a short trade. So short because you see here that the bigger time frame is bearish. For chart, we have here trend line, and every time price hits the trend line, price is rejected. So because of that, my target is that GBP CHF is going to hit this support area here, right around here. So we cannot really specify the correct level, but this is the area where it is going to hit. And then we can also see that we have here this head and shoulder pattern, which is actually a bearish price pattern. So right, so that's it guys for my Forex blog today. God bless you all.